Hello, everybody. Welcome to one more lesson. Today we are learning about the present continuous, a very important structure for us to talk about activities that are in progress now. So let's get familiar with this new possibility. To start, guys, let's come to the board. And as usually, guys, I like to organize our argument in three stages. It is important that we see when we use this structure so we understand the context of this information. And it's important that we also use, that we talk about how to use it because this is the structure. When you are learning a new information in English, when you are learning a new structure and grammar structure, simple present, simple future, simple past, any um, topic related with grammar, it is important for you to identify the context, so when that structure is used, and uh, how that structure is used, what auxiliary verbs, what is the formula to build it. So let's get to know this with the present continuous. Here we have, guys, an image of teacher Gabi, and teacher Gabi is explaining to us the different moments that we use the present continuous. So let's read together. We use the present continuous tense to talk about 1. Ongoing actions. What is ongoing action? It is an action in progress in this moment that we are speaking, that we are interacting. For example, I am speaking in English right now. I am talking with you. I am teaching you this lesson, and you are hopefully taking notes about it. So, ongoing actions, and then we use these guys with now or at the moment. So, I build my idea, I say, I am studying now. I am practicing English at the moment. So this is how we would describe ongoing actions. We can also use the present continuous, guys, to talk about temporary situations. So situations that they are not necessarily routine, because this would be the simple present. Temporary situations, it is when, for example, something is happening for a few weeks or for a couple of months. For example, I am reading a book for the last 2 weeks. I am practicing yoga for a couple of months, actually for a couple of years, but uh, for example sake, it's fine. Temporary habits. So these days, very similar with this idea of temporary situations. Another usage, this is a little bit more specific. We use the present continuous with annoying habits. For example, I could say, you are, teacher Gabi could tell me, Mateus, you are always eating the cookies. You are always eating the cookies. This is a annoying habit. This is a bad habit because we buy the cookies and then I eat all of them. So Gabi can tell me, Mateus, you are always eating the cookies. In the company, for example, if there is somebody that usually arrives late to meetings, we could tell this person, come on, you are always arriving late. So this is an annoying, bad, not so good habit. And then we can also use the present continuous with future plans, guys. But this idea of definite. So there is a big certainty that this is going to happen. And then we could use tomorrow, later, tonight, next week. For example, I am working tomorrow. I am teaching a lesson tonight after I record this video. I am watching a movie later. So, future plans that they are pretty sure to happen. The structure there, guys, here we have an interesting diagram for us to see. We have on the one column the subject, pronoun, the people in English, right? So we have I, you, we, they, he, she, and it. Why are they organized this way? Take a look. We say I am studying, or I am reading, I am enjoying, I am eating, I am playing. You, we, and they are. So the verb to be that we use with you, we, and they are. We have studied this already. If you don't remember, check out our video on verb to be to remember which verb to be we use with each specific subject pronoun. And then he, she, and it is. And then we complete, guys, with the verb in ing. So that's the structure of present continuous. We have verb to be. This means verb to be, verb to be. So we have subject pronoun, the verb to be, and then because we have the verb to be and a verb, this verb always, always, always needs to be in the ing. So there we go, verb to be plus the ing. Okay, guys, so let's see some examples in the negative. This is the structure that we have seen previously. So we have here, I am, you, we, and they are, he, she, and it is. Let's read these examples together. I am currently studying for my exams. Or these last weeks, I am studying for my exams. Recently, I am studying for my exams. She is cooking dinner right now. They are playing football at the park right now, or they are playing football at the park uh, for the last couple of weeks. These are also possibilities. The company is expanding its business overseas. So you can perceive, guys, that we have I, she, they, and then the company is representing it. And then we find ourselves there, the verb to be. I am, she is, they are, the company is. And then we see the verb study, cook, play, expand with um, this continuity aspect with this suffix ing after the verb. Studying, cooking, playing, and then finally expanding. So we have seen this in the affirmative. Let's identify this in the negative. Let's check the present continuous in negative. In negative, guys, it's pretty similar. The only difference is that we have this guy here, not. So we would say, I am not. You are not. You, we, and they are not studying. He, she, and it is not working, for example. And then the ideas, the examples that we discussed previously, now they are in negative. So let's read together. I am not currently studying for my exams. So we see the not there, defining that this is a negative sentence, as you can see. I am not. She is not cooking dinner right now. They are not playing football in the park. And the company is not expanding its business overseas. So this is the negative. We have that structure that we discussed before, but we include the not to describe that this is a negative information. And what about the interrogative? How could we describe the interrogative in present continuous? Let's check it out. So we have now the verb to be there, guys, and we inverted. Let's compare these versions here. Let's take the affirmative. Let's put it above. And let's see something interesting that happens. In English, when we want to create a question, we invert what we call the auxiliary verb. And then take a look. This is the, let me frame both. I think I can do it. Yeah. So here in the affirmative, we have I am, you are, he is, she is, so on and so on. But in the interrogative, we take this verb to be, and then we simply invert, and then we say, am I, are you, is he, and this is how we have this combination here. We have the following. Am I studying? Am I doing well? Are you working? Is he playing? Is he, and then the verb in ing. Are you studying? Am I doing well? Are you learning with this lesson? I hope you are. And let's check some examples. Are you currently studying for your exams? Is she cooking dinner right now? Are they playing football in the park? And is the company expanding its business overseas? And then you see, guys, that we just inverted. Are you currently studying? Is she? In the affirmative, we said she is cooking. In the negative, she is not cooking. And in the interrogative, is she? Are they playing football in the park? And is the company expanding its business overseas? Okay, guys, hope you have understood that and you are more familiar with the present continuous. And now it is the time for us to practice with some examples and some exercises. I separated here, guys, three images. Let's identify this first image. Pause the video and try to describe, speaking or writing, what these people are doing, what is going on in this image. Pause the video and with your ideas, try to explain what they are doing. Okay, I hope you pause it. Now let's see. My answers, very likely they will not be equal to yours, and that's okay. But let's see how I would answer this question. What is happening in this image? Or what are they doing? Or what's going on in this image? I would say the guy, he is drinking coffee or tea. We do not know. The dog is resting in her lap. I guess the dog is resting in her lap. She is drinking coffee or tea too, but she is smiling or even she's laughing. She's laughing. You see my uh my imitation of a laugh. So she is laughing. There is a difference, guys, between laugh and smile. Smile and laugh, something hilarious that make us have a interesting reaction. So this is it for this image. Let's see this next one. Pause the video again and try to come up with your own answers. Okay, let's see how I would answer this. I would say they are having a meeting. They are exchanging ideas. They are talking about a project, maybe. Um, this woman, she is holding a pen. She's holding, or maybe she's drawing. She's drawing. Yeah, she's drawing. And this girl over there, she's holding her phone. She's holding her phone. And she's sitting. She's sitting down while this guy with the headphones, he is standing up. This guy over here, this headless guy, yeah, this guy here, he is standing up, and this girl there, she is sitting down. There we go. And then finally, this image. Your turn, pause the video and try to answer. Okay, so let's see how I would answer that. I would say she is typing on her laptop. Very likely she's working, or she is possibly studying. I could say that she's also, you can see that there is a mug here, and apparently she's drinking tea. She is drinking tea. So this is what she is doing right now. Okay, guys? And then to wrap up, one more exercise to take the message home. Let's come here. There are 10 sentences, guys. And as usually, I would like you to pause the video and complete with your answers. Just be mindful about when it is negative, there will be a not here. And when it is interrogative, there will be an interrogation mark over there. Okay, so your turn, go there and complete this exercise, and I see you in 1 second, literally. Okay, I think 1 second has passed and that you have completed your exercise. So we could say he, and then we have the verb do. He is doing, right? Because we need the verb to be. He is doing, and then our verb in ing. He's doing his homework right now. The cat is not sleeping on the bed. Let me get rid of these notes. Great. Now we have an interrogative. How could we complete this? We have the verb listen. Okay, so we know that it is continuous. But if I say they are listening, this is a affirmative sentence, but we do not want affirmative. We want interrogative. So pretty simple. We say, are they listening to music in the car? I am not. I'm not looking for a new job at the moment. I'm not. She is baking a cake. Baking a cake for her friend's birthday. We are studying English at school. The sun is shining in the sky. The sun is, oh, I almost forgot there. The sun is shining in the sky. Then we have a new interrogative sentence. Then we could say, are they eating their lunch in the park? And he is borrowing his friend's car for the weekend. And then finally, the children aren't playing games in the garden. Okay, guys, so this is our lesson about present continuous. We discussed when we use it, we discussed how to use it, and then we have practiced this structure with some exercises. I hope you enjoyed it, and I see you next time. Best wishes. Bye bye.